In life, products that seem familiar often carry incredible production processes. Let's join B Technology to explore the journey of creating 3 unique products and understand how they have contributed to changing our lives. Faber-Castell, a legendary name in the field of writing and drawing tools, has firmly established its position in the hearts of creators and art enthusiasts worldwide. With a history spanning over 250 years, Faber-Castell stands out not only for its superior quality products, but also as a symbol of creativity, innovation, and responsibility in providing high-quality art tools that cater to the needs of users, from students to professional artists. The video Faber-Castell, the creative tool, is not just an ordinary advertisement, but a documentary journey that takes viewers inside Faber-Castell's production facilities, where each product is meticulously crafted from raw materials into world-class pens, pencils, and drawing tools, while also showcasing the company's commitment to delivering the best tools for creative artists. Modern technology combined with craftsmanship. Faber-Castell takes pride in blending advanced technology with long-standing craftsmanship to create flawless products. The production process of Faber-Castell's drawing tools is not just a series of simple mechanical steps, but a fine coordination of modern techniques and handcraft skills passed down through generations. A prime example is the production of pencils, one of Faber-Castell's most famous products. The main material used to create these high-quality pencils is natural wood, usually from pine trees, which is carefully selected from sustainable forests. This wood not only meets durability standards, but also provides a comfortable feel during use, helping creators easily produce smooth strokes. The wood, once cut and processed, is cleaned, dried, and carefully crafted before entering the shaping phase. Next is the process of creating the pencil core. Faber-Castell uses a special mixture of graphite and clay, blended in precise ratios to ensure the pencil's quality. After shaping, the pencil core is hardened in a kiln at very high temperatures. This ensures that the product is not only sharp, but also durable, easy to sharpen, and resistant to breaking during use. Focus on quality and sustainability. Faber-Castell not only focuses on product quality, but also commits to environmental protection and sustainable development. The materials used are carefully selected from sustainable wood sources and eco-friendly materials. The wood used in Faber-Castell pencils is certified by international forest protection organizations, such as FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, ensuring that the wood resources do not harm the environment. In particular, Faber-Castell places great emphasis on using non-polluting manufacturing technologies. The company's factories utilize renewable energy, minimize waste, and conserve water, reflecting their commitment to sustainable development and planetary protection. Unlimited creative potential. Faber-Castell's products are not just tools, they are companions on the journey of creativity. Whether you are a student taking notes, an artist creating a masterpiece, or a graphic designer looking for the perfect tool to express your ideas, Faber-Castell offers high-quality products that help users fully express themselves. In the video, we see products like pencils, pens, paints, and other drawing tools, all designed to provide absolute precision, ease of use, and inspire art lovers. A Faber-Castell pencil not only helps you draw, but also helps transform raw ideas into stunning works of art, bringing to life the emotions and colors in your mind. Faber-Castell is not just a manufacturer, it is a creative companion, helping you bring your ideas and inspiration to life in the best way possible. Faber-Castell products have become indispensable tools for artists and art enthusiasts worldwide, from painters, fashion designers, to creators in the fields of graphic design and decoration. The future of creativity and innovation. With over 2 centuries of experience, Faber-Castell continues to grow and innovate, relentlessly researching and developing to deliver the best products for users. Each Faber-Castell product not only meets users' needs, but is also the result of continuous research and creativity. The company consistently experiments with new materials, develops environmentally friendly solutions, and strives to enhance product quality to not only meet current demands, but also address future trends and requirements. Tonelli Sori, a legacy of craftsmanship in oak barrel production. Tonelli Sori, a prestigious name in the oak barrel industry, has a rich history spanning over 150 years, consistently evolving to become a symbol of refinement and quality in crafting barrels used for aging wine and spirits. Combining traditional craftsmanship with modern technology, Tonelli Sori not only delivers exceptional products, but also ensures a distinctive flavor that contributes to the perfection of premium wines and spirits. Entering the world of premium oak wood. Every product from Tonelli Sori begins with the selection of oak wood, the primary material for barrel making. The oak blocks are carefully chosen from sustainable forests, where the wood is responsibly nurtured and harvested, ensuring superior quality and long-term sustainability. This selection process requires precision and experience, as each piece of oak must meet strict standards regarding age, structure, and its ability to create a unique flavor for the wine. The crafting process of oak barrels. Once the oak is selected, the logs are cut and processed into uniform planks, preparing them for the barrel shaping process. The next crucial step is toasting the wood, an important procedure in developing the flavor of the barrel. Depending on the client's requirements and the characteristics of each type of wine or spirit, the planks are toasted at specific temperatures and durations to achieve a perfect balance between maturity and flavor. When the oak planks are ready, they are assembled into barrels. This process requires high skill and precision to ensure that the barrels are not only durable, but also visually appealing, solid, and ready to fulfill their crucial role in the aging process. Quality control, ensuring perfection. Each barrel from Tonelli Sori undergoes a rigorous quality control process before being shipped out. From checking the tightness of the wooden staves to inspecting the quality of the toasting, every detail is meticulously examined with great accuracy. Each barrel is not just a finely crafted product, but also a key instrument in enhancing the wine's flavor, helping to create wines and spirits with deep, rich, and complex tastes. Customization to meet client needs. In addition to standard barrels, Tonelli Sori offers a customization service, allowing winemakers to create barrels tailored to the specific needs and characteristics of their wines. This service not only adds value to the product, but also plays a pivotal role in helping each wine develop its distinctive flavor and color. With over 150 years of experience, Tonelli Sori continues to lead the oak barrel industry, delivering products that are not only durable and beautiful, but also play a crucial role in creating fine wines and spirits. Each barrel from Sori is not just a tool, but an essential element in developing the flavors of the wine, providing exceptional experiences for those who savor it. Tonelli Sori, where the art of barrel crafting blends with science and passion, creating top-tier products that accompany outstanding wines and spirits, solidifying its position as a global leader in oak barrel production. Nene Valley Firewood is a trusted name in the dry firewood industry, renowned for its commitment to both high-quality products and environmental sustainability. The production process begins with the careful selection of wood from responsibly managed forests, ensuring that the wood is of superior quality while also protecting biodiversity. Each piece of wood is cut and split into uniform sizes, then carefully treated to prevent damage during processing. The next crucial step is the drying process, where the firewood is placed in modern kilns powered by renewable energy. This process reduces the moisture content of the wood to below 18%, which is essential for achieving efficient combustion. The result is firewood that burns strongly and cleanly, with minimal smoke and fewer harmful emissions. After the drying process is complete, the firewood is carefully packaged to preserve its quality throughout transportation. Each bag is sealed tightly to prevent moisture from affecting the wood, ensuring that it remains dry when it reaches the customer. Additionally, Nene Valley Firewood offers free delivery within Northamptonshire, making it convenient for customers. Throughout the entire production process, Nene Valley Firewood maintains a strong focus on sustainability. The company not only uses renewable energy in its kilns, but also ensures that all wood is sourced from sustainable forests. This commitment helps reduce environmental impact, allowing Nene Valley Firewood to provide high-quality products while supporting the health of the planet and promoting a sustainable future for the community.